Namaste and good morning to all my dear children. I am your Brahmanand sir. In this session, I am going to explain you about the algebraic expression and identities. Okay? Before going to start this lesson, just I will introduce the previous concept what you have learned in the previous classes. Okay? What is that? First, what is that algebraic expressions? What's meant by algebraic expression? Algebraic expressions are the expressions they are built up by the algebraic concepts or else variables, constants as well as integers. These are called as algebraic expressions. Sorry, see, I will give you one example, then you will get an idea. That is, take one algebraic expression that is 5x plus 3. This is an algebraic expression. This is built up by, this is made up of. See here, variables. What are the variables here? That is, x is the variable. See here, variable, that is x. And the constants. What are the constants here? 5 and the 3. Students, that is, constants are 5 and 3. Is it? Then, and algebraic operations. Operations means, sir, operation actually mathematics. See, operations are nothing but a plus, minus, division, multiplication. These are the operations. Okay? Here the algebraic operations are plus. Okay? Then this is called as algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Take one more example. That is 6xy plus 3. Okay? Here the variables are x and y, students. Here the variables are x and y and the constants are 6 and 3 and the algebraic operation is plus. Sir, plus sir. No, you can take plus, minus, multiplication as well as division. This is called as algebraic expression. Is this clear? And you have already learnt this one in the previous classes. Okay, next move to these some important concepts. Okay, what are those? Let's see. And one more thing I have to tell, that is, these algebraic expressions are made up of variables and constants. Variables and constants. You have to remember this. Variables are nothing but an alphabet. Then constants are nothing but the numbers. Okay, this is very clear about the algebraic expression. Next concept is, that is, terms and that factors as well as coefficients. Let's learn those by one by example. See here, I will give one example. 4x plus 3. Then 7xy minus 2. And third example we have 5 by 3 xyz p. Okay, these are the example, students, to help us to understand. First term or first concept we have the term. First concept we have, that is term. What is meant by term, students? See here, term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. This is the term. That means parts. That means parts, sir. That is parts, sir. Syllabus objective, sir. First term book, sir. Second term book. Like that. That is a part, students. Okay. Here, what are the terms? What is meant by terms in algebraic expression? Simple. That is, let's take one example. That is 4x plus 3. This is the algebraic expression. And how many terms are there here? 2 terms. What are those? See here. Here, 2 terms. One is 4x and second one is 3, students. One is 4x and second one is 3. How many terms are there? 1 and 2. Okay, move to the next example. That is, here the terms are 2 only. That is 7xy and 2. See here, 7xy and 2. I will clarify you afterwards. Okay, move to the next step. That is, how many terms are here, students? Sir, only one. Only one. Why, sir? Just compare these 3. Compare ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Why? In the third example, only term is 1. Why? See here, students. Here the operation plus is there. Here the operation minus is there. But here the operation plus ಮತ್ತೆ minus ಇಲ್ಲ. Is it clear? If and only if that is, sir, plus ಮತ್ತೆ minus ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ the terms will become more. Plus or a minus is a trick, and it is very easy to understand. That is plus ಅಥವಾ minus ಎರಡರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು operation ಬಂದ್ರೆ then the term is increasing. See here, one more term I will write it here, that is 3y. Sir, plus ಹಾಕಿ 3y ಬರುತ್ತೆ. How many terms here? Sir, 3 terms. One term, second term, and third term. Third term is 3y, students. Is it clear? Sir, okay. One more. I will write it here. X. X is multiplied here. Concentrate here. X is multiplied. Then how many times it becomes? Sir, only 2. Why? Because 7xy is the one term and 2x is the second term. Is it clear? Then again I will increase this by plus 3y. Plus 3y. Plus 1 3, sir. Plus 1 andre the term is increased. The term is increased. See here, plus how many terms here? It is 3 terms. And third term is 3y. First term, second term, and third term. Here, first term, second term, third term. Is it clear, student? So, Nina achieve ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ sir. Then take, that is I will write it here z. How many times it becomes? Sir, only 3, sir. Why? Because sir plus minus add ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. Then it becomes only 3. That is first one is 7xy, second one is 2x, third one is 3yz. 3yz. Is it clear? Then again, sir, one more time I will increase you. That is plus or minus. I will take it as a minus. Minus 3z. Minus 3z. Sir, minus 1 3. Plus or minus. You have to concentrate on the plus or minus for term. For term. Here how many terms? Sir, 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, minus 4 term. What's the 4 term? 3z. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? Then move to the last example. Here, sir, only one term is sir. Why, sir? Sir, you alphabet pura barri one number to 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. How many terms? Only one terms. Here, because all these alphabets are that is in the product. Product nagidre namage ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Product and divide nagidre namage ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. If how many terms? 2 terms. First one is this one from 3 to h, and second one is 2. Is it clear, sir? Again 2a. How many terms, students? This is one term and this one is the second term. How many terms? 2 terms are there. 2 terms. Suppose one more time, plus 3b. 3b. First term is 3b and second term is this one and third term is 2a. Is it clear, students? Only if and only if that is plus or a minus sign, plus or a minus operation comes between these algebraic expression, then only the terms becomes exchanged or terms are increased. Is it clear? Then tell me how many operations are here? Sir, 1 here. Then again plus 2 by 3. Sir, 2. Why, sir? 5 by 3 xy, sir, p is the 1 and this one is the 1. That is how many operations here? Sorry, how many terms are here? 2. Is it okay? Then one more time. 5x. How many terms are there, students, here? Only one term. See, again I will divide by 2. How many terms? 1, sir. Yakri, sir, plus minus bande illi. That's why that is only one term. If plus 1, how many terms? 2 terms. It is 2 terms. Then 1 by 2, how many terms? 2 terms. First term is 5x by 2 plus is there. Okay. Then second one is 1 by 2. Is it clear, students? Then one more time. Minus 3xy. Minus 3xy. How many terms are there, students, here? 1 2 3. Why, sir? Plus is there, here minus is there. If and only if plus ಮತ್ತೆ minus ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ the terms will become increased. Otherwise, okay, that is 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. So ನೀವು multiplication and division ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ terms will not increase. Concentrate here. Multiplication and division ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the terms will not increase. Is it clear? If and only if that is plus or a minus. Plus or a minus sign bandre matra the terms will increase, students. Is it clear to you? Okay, move to the next concept we have, that is coefficient. Sorry, before that you have to learn factors. You have to learn factors. Fact. What's meant by factor? See, sir, ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ one term ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ one term. See, here I will take term 4x. First term I will take 4x. What is the first term we have here? That is 4x. It is made up of factors, students. It is the product of factors. See, the term is a factor, or a term is the product of factors, students. The term is the product of factors. See, that is the factors here are 4 and x. Simple about. Is it clear? That is the term. This is the term. You know that is this is the term. This is made up of product of factors. That is 4 and x. What are the factors here? 4 and x. Take one more term, that is 3y. You know that is 3y is the term, students. It is the term which is made up of product of factors. What are the factors here? 3 and y, students. 3 and y are the factors. Simple about. Yes. Then move to here. That is we have 7xy is the term, students. 7xy is the term. Okay. Then what are the factors? See, we know that is the term is made up of a product of factors. Then what are the factors here? 7, comma, x, comma, y. It's a product of 7 and x and y. That is 7 and x and y are the factors, and the product will give the term. What is the term? 7xy. समझ में आया बात? It's very easy. Yes. Then take one more. Sir, you इधे तगोले. Okay, I will take this one term. That is 3. Okay, 3 is also one term, is there? So let's see here. 3 is also a term. Sir, you heard sir, that is factors are nothing but a product of terms. Sorry, the terms are nothing but a product of factors. The factors are a product of. Sir, take it as a single. Here the factors are only one. What is the factor here? Factor is only 3. खत्म हो गया बात. 1 नो बरेदिल्ला, 0 नो बरेदिल्ला. Is it clear? That is what is the factor in 3? That is only 3. Then I will take one more example here. That is I will take first term. That is 5/3 x y z p. This is the term. We know that is. This is the term, student. Is it okay? Then this term is made up of factors. What are the factors? See here. Factors are 5/3 x, y, z and p. These are the factors. These are the factors. 5/3 x, y, z, p. These are the factors, and product of these factors will give us a term. Product of these factors will give us a term. Clear, students? Then take one more. That is we have 2/3. 2/3 is the term. We know that is 2/3 is the term. Okay. Then what are the factors here? Sir, factors here now, sir. 2 and 3, not 2 and 3. That is 2/3 is the only one. That is factors are 2/3 only. Factors are 2/3 only. One term adri. Sorry. One factor adri. One term. Clear हो गया बात? Is it okay? The factors or the term which is having factors are only 2 by 3. Okay? Then take a screenshot, students. Now I will ask you some questions on this. What are the terms, how many terms, and how many factors are there? Let me ask you. Just then you will become very practicable on this. Let me ask some questions. See here. 7, 73, X, Y, Z, P, Q, minus 2. How many terms are there? Students, you have to comment me, that is, how many terms are there in this question? How many terms are there in this question? Yes, Sharat Kumar, how many terms? Very good, 2 terms. Subhashini, very good. That is only 2 terms. Very good, students, very good. Anjum, yes, Bharat Raichu, 2 terms are there. Very good. Bhagya Karigoda, Pragna Meti, very good. How many terms are there, students? 2 terms. Okay, now see here. 2 terms. Okay, now term 73 XYZPQ. What are the factors of this term? What are the factors of this term, students? What are the factors of this term? It will take some more time to type. Okay, I will wait for that. And Sharada, yes, 2 terms are there. Very good. And Rangaswamy, Vaishnavi, very good, students. Very good. Okay, 2 terms are there. Very good. And 73 XYZPQ. How many factors are there? Yes, the 73 XYZPQ. Yes, very good. This is nothing but a factor, students. Very good. 7 factor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 separate, 3 separate. Very good. 73. It's a number that is 73. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Trigonometry, that is 7, 3, not 7, 3, 7, 3, that is 73. Okay, don't be confused. That's why I have written it. It is 73 X, Y, Z, PQ are the factors, students. How many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it clear, students? This is about terms and the factors. One more example I will give you. Concentrate here. Concentrate here. Okay. 2 XY plus 3XY. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, how many terms are there? After solving this, solve ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, how many terms are there? I think ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಲ್ತಿರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ. Is it okay? Yes, Pragnameti. 2. Solve this. First, solve this and tell me the answer. How many terms are there? Terms. Concentrate. ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ರಿ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. Rajat. Yes, 0 factors. Subhashini, yeah. Bhagya Swami, sorry. Bhikshaya Swami, that is 2 factors, 0 items, 0 terms. Concentrate. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್? ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು? just concentrate. Here is a plus is there, and here is a xy, and here also xy. Yes, no one is giving the correct answer. Just they are trying, and thank you for trying, and I will appreciate you people. Let's see, students. 2xy is there, and here is a 3xy. Sir, here the variables x and y are the same. Illini xy adri, illini xy adri. Illini xy adri, illini xy. Very good, Bharat. That is 1 term. How many terms are there? It's one term. After solving this, I am telling that after solving this. Here the terms are, here the variables are xy, and here also variables are xy students. See here, 5 plus, sorry, 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3, it becomes 5. 5. Then we have to keep these variables as same. How many stxy are there, sir? 5xy. Now the terms are only one. Solpa twist ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. How many terms are there? Very good student. That is 5x. I have told to you that is after solving this. After solving this, how many terms will become? It's okay. That is one term. This is one term, student. Okay. Now tell me how many factors are there? How many factors? Yes, very good students. Now tell me how many factors are there in 5xy? Yes, simple. That is 5xy are the factor, students. 3. Very good, Anju and Padmamati. Very good. Yes, that is 3 factors are there. I move to the next topic. Okay, students. Sharat Kumar, 3 factors. Very good. And many of them are achieved today, and I will appreciate them. Next concept we have coefficient. What is the coefficient? Okay. Okay, next term we have, that is coefficient. What is meant by coefficient, students? Simple. In algebraic expression, in mathematics, coefficient antandre the numerical factor is called as coefficient. The numerical factor is called as coefficient, student. Yes, sir. See here. Take one example. Take one term example. That is 7xy z. What is this, student? This is the term. This is the term. Okay. What is the coefficient of this term? What is the coefficient of this term? That is, coefficient is nothing but a numerical part of the factor or a term. Numerical factor of the factor only. That is, I will write coefficient of 7xyz is 7. Sir, numbers ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ರಿ sir, variable ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. we know that is variables and constants. Variables ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ sir alphabets, but here constants are nothing but numericals. That means a numbers. That numbers are called as coefficients. That numbers are called as coefficient. Now tell me again, I will explain you 7x. What is the coefficient of x? The question will be asked like this. What is the coefficient of x? Simple answer, 7. Coefficient of -3/2. Concentrate on operation. Okay, minus mele negative or positive digit, you have to concentrate on the operation. And constant is nothing but a coefficient. Numbers in bartavandri, which is attached to variables. Which is attached to variables only. Like that only he will ask. That is coefficient of xyz, coefficient of y, coefficient of x, coefficient of xyz. Like that. Is it, student? So one more time I will write down expression, that is okay, 3x square y plus 2. This is the expression, student. Now tell me, what is the coefficient of x square y? What is the coefficient of x square y? See, I will write it here. The coefficient of x square y is, what is that? X square y better number another, sir? 3. 3. Very good, students. Very good. Vaishnavi and Subhashini Bharat. Very good. Bhagya Kariwada Vaishnavi. Thank you. That is coefficient of x square y is 3, students. Sorry, this is attached to number. Coefficient is nothing but a coefficient is a constant or a number which is attached to variable. Is it clear? Then one more example. That is minus 2 by 5 x square y square z square x y z p x y. Then now tell me what is the tell me that what is the coefficient of x square y square z square x y z p x y. What is the coefficient of this? Very good, student. Very good. That is minus 2 by 5. Very good. Bharat, Anjum, Pragnamiti, yes. Bhagya Karigoda, yes. Margappa, very good. That is the coefficient of this variable is this. You have to tell only that is number. Yes. Aditya, Subhashini Patil, very good. That is Sharada, Rajat, very good. That is the coefficient of this variable is this one. Is it clear, students? Move to the next points. Okay. At 8 o'clock you have test now. And I will explain you some important terms. Okay. I will write it here. And you already know that is about this monomials. Second one binomial. And third one trinomial. And fourth one I will write it here. Polynomial. Sir, if you have understood the term factors and coefficient, then only you will understand these three, these four. Simple answer. See, what is meant by monomial? Sir, that is monomial is nothing but the expression is made up of only one term. Concentrate here. I will not write here. That is, the expression is made up of only one term. The expression is made up of only one term. That is nothing but mono. Mono means single. Bi means two, not by OD like that. Tri means three. Poly means many. Simple. The name only indicates that is mono. Mono means single. Bi means two. Tri means three. And poly means more than three. That is many. Okay, students. Now tell me. Monomial is nothing but made up of single term. I will write it only one term. It is the expression. You have to write that the expression, the algebraic expression is made up of one term. Then only it is called as monomial. You have to write like this. Okay, but I will write it here. It's made up of only one term. Give an example, that is 7x. It is the one example. And second example we have 7xy. So single term. Then third one. 7 by 2 x square y square z square p square q square z square. Sir, one term are there. Then fourth one example minus 7 by 3. Sir, this minus 7 by 3. Minus 7 by 3 is also one term. Is it? Then 3xy square p square q square. This is also one term. See, examples for monomial is it has to be made up of one term. That is 7x, 7xy, this one, this one, this one. Only single terms are there. Okay, then move to the next one. That is we have binomial. Binomial antandre, sorry, the expression must be made up of two terms. I will write it here. It must be made up of two terms. Give an example. That is first one. 7x plus 3. How many terms, students? One term, two term. Plus and minus bandre matra terms will be increased. Concentrate there. That is one more. 3x square, y square, z square, p square, q square plus 1. How many terms? Reduced to one term. Plus 1 is a one term. Khatam ho gaya baat. Then third one. 7 by 3 x square plus 3x Fourth one example, 3 by 2x minus 2. How many terms? One term, two term. Are you understanding, students? It's very easy. Monomial antandre, sir, the variable, that expression must be made up of only one term, and the binomial means the expression must be made up of two terms. See here, one term, two term. Only one term, two term. One term, two term. One term, two term. Is it? Plus matte minus bandre matra the terms will be increasing. Then what is meant by trinomial? Simple as that. That is, it must be made up of three terms. It must be made up of three terms. What are those? See here, p plus q plus 3. p one term, q one term, 3 one term, 3 term. pq plus 3q minus 2. Simple. pq one term, 3q one term, minus 2 is a one term. Then x square, y square, z square, p square plus 1 plus minus 3x. Concept here, x square, y square, z square, p square. It is a one term plus 1. Plus baratanka 1 irbeku, minus baratanka 1. Then 1 is the one term and 3x is a one term. How many terms? 1, 2, 3. This is about the trinomial. Then what about polynomial? Okay, that's what is. So trinomial aitala. Then what about polynomial? Sir, it must be made up of more than 3 terms. It must be made up of more than three terms. See here, what are those? Sir, I will write p plus q plus z plus x plus cos x. How many terms? Sir, plus bandagala bitu 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, 4 term. Khatam. Second, pq square plus p square q minus 2 minus 5x. How many terms, students, here? pq square 1, p square q 1, and 2 is 1 and 5x is 1. Is it clear? Then one more example, third one, 3 by 2 p plus q plus 1 plus 3 z. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ alphabet, but that must be different. ಒಂದರಿಂದ different ಇದ್ರೆ okay. Then you will understand here. That is 3 by 2 p is one term and q is one term and 1 is one term. 3 by 2 is 3z is one term. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ಇರಬೇಕೇನ್ರಿ ಸರ್? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಸರ್. ಬರೀ ಸಣ್ಣ a plus b plus c minus d minus f minus k minus l plus 3 by 2. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಣಿಸ್ಕೊತ ಕುಂತು ಬಿಟ್ರಾಗ. Sir, it must be that is made up of more than 3 terms. That is polynomial. Is it clear, students? Monomial antandre, it must be, the expression must be made up of one term. Mono means single, bi means 2, tri means 3, poly means more than 3. Is it clear? Okay, students. Done. So, students, by this I will conclude my today's session. If any doubts, ask me in the personal WhatsApp number, whatever it may be. By this I will conclude, and thanks for being live, and one more time, that is thanks for being live, and being active is more important, and thank you for that. Bye.